This is In the Wild with Chris. A GoPro is great for taking photos outdoors, even if it's over water or underwater. But with a GoPro you can take photos of both underwater and over water at the same time. For that you need to move the waterline away from the lens. And to do that you can use a dome port. So I started looking around for what was a good dome port for a starter like me, and I found the Suptig Dome Port. Now Suptig is a brand that I can't really find much on the web, but I bought some LED lights from Suptig before, so I know it's a decent brand for a good price. So this is a review of the Suptig Dome Port. So what do we have inside here? You have the dome port inside a protective cloth bag with the dome and the camera casing in the back. Get a plastic handle that is rubber grip with a strap with that. You can open it up and put money or maybe keys inside. You get a screw to attach it. Got an extra safety for opening it and keeping it waterproof, because you don't want water inside the dome port. Just take your camera, insert it, close the hatch, and you're ready to go. Now the buttons allow you to turn it on and off. You can change modes between video, photo and time-lapse, and you can access the capture button on top. You cannot access the touch screen, but you can see what's going on there. Now this Suptig Dome Port is compatible with the GoPro 2018, GoPro Hero 5 Black, Hero 6 and Hero 7 Black. It's not compatible with the Hero 7 Silver or White. Specs I found on the internet shows that it's waterproof down to about 30 meters or 90 something feet, compared to the ordinary GoPro Hero that is waterproof down to 10 meters or 33 feet. So if you want to go deeper, if you're scuba diving, this adds some protection to your GoPro. Now, like any footage you're doing underwater, the dome port works best in direct sunlight, preferably high noon, with the sun maybe slightly behind you to really lighten up the objects you're gonna take film or photos of. But let's try it out in the water. When you keep the dome port at a straight angle at the waterline, you get a 50-50 view of both above and underwater. If you want a bigger field of view of underwater, angle it forward. And if you want to get more of above water, angle it backwards. When you're taking photos in the water, one good way is turning it sideways so you get a higher field of view with the photos. Well, that was a quick review of the Suptig Dome Port. I found it great for my needs. I'm quite an amateur at this. I found it on the German Amazon for 50 euros. You can get it at Amazon.com for about $50 US. And I'd say, yeah, it's a good buy. It seems like good quality. Well, that was a quick review of the Suptig Dome Port. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.